Hey, Geometry, Mr. Cruze here one more time to finish off this chapter 10.1 to 10.5, excluding 10.4, review with you, okay? We've only got a few more left to do. So, here we go. We are trying to, remember, find the area of the regular polygons, okay? And we're eventually going to round to the nearest tenth, okay, which is one decimal place. So, round to the nearest tenth, and we're going to, of course, use appropriate units. So, here we go. Nonagon, well, non means 9 sides, okay, 9-sided. And the perimeter is 72. Ah, convenient, because our formula is 1/2 apothem times perimeter. Well, we know the perimeter, so we're halfway home. We just need the apothem, so let me draw that triangle. Again, I don't expect you to draw the entire nonagon. That would be ridiculous. I wouldn't want to do it, and I don't want you to do it, okay? So we need to figure out basically the side length down here. Well, if there's 9 sides, and the perimeter is 72, that means each side would be 72 divided by 9, which is 8 centimeters, right? Well, in our little triangle, we use half of that, so this will be 4 centimeters, okay? The only other thing we need to do is figure out this angle, and that's 360 divided by twice the number of sides. And, of course, 360 divided by 18 is 20. So here we go. 4 is opposite. A is adjacent. So we're going to be using tangent of 20, and that equals 4 over A. Pull the old switcheroo, of course. And whatever 4 divided by the tangent of 20 is, that will be your apothem. And I get 10.9899. Okay, don't be dyslexic with your numbers, of course. Here we go. Area is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter, which we said was 72, because that's what we started with. So plug that in your calculator, and you should get 395.6 square centimeters. Okay. Oh, last hard one. Hexagon with radius 5. Well, hexagon is 6 sides, right? Radius 5. Ooh. Radius is a bummer because that has nothing to do... Well, it has something to do, but it really has nothing directly to do with the 1/2 apothem times perimeter formula. So we're going to need to find the apothem and half of the side length. Let's do apothem first. Well, that's going to, whatever this angle is, A will be the adjacent, B will be the opposite, phi will be the hypotenuse. Okay. The angle is 360 divided by 2n, so in this case it would be 360 divided by 12, so it would be 30 again, 30, 60, 90. Let's find A. A will be cosine of 30 equals A over 5. So 5 cosine of 30 is going to be A. So let's see what that is. 5 cosine of 30 is 4.3301. So there's your apothem. B, for those of you who are paying attention at home, B should come out to be half the hypotenuse. Let's see. The sine of 30 equals B over 5. So 5 times the sine of 30. And a quick plug in your calculator reveals that Mr. Cruze was not a liar back then. B is half the hypotenuse in a 30, 60, 90. Okay? Anyway, B, remember, is half of your sides. So you have to double it. So B times 2, and then multiply by the number of sides, which is 6. So 2.5 times 2 times 6 will be 30, and that's your perimeter. So here we go. Area is 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. So plug that in your calculator, and you get 64 point, the 0.95 rounds up, so it's actually just 65 square inches. Okay. Oh, and the last two are so incredibly easy, they will take you approximately 30 seconds. If you have 2 sides of a triangle and the angle between, then you can use 1/2 AB times the sine of the angle. And we showed y in class, right? 1/2 8 times 3 times the sine of the angle between. So 0.5 times 8 times 3 times the sine of 50. Round to the nearest tenth, of course, you get 9.2 square centimeters. Okay. This one, 1/2 8 times 4.5 times the sine of 99. Okay, interesting. 0.5 times 8 times 4.5 times the sine of 99 gives you 17.8 square centimeters. Okay. I hope you found these reviews helpful. Remember, I will be here in the morning if you have any questions at all. Make sure you know when to use which area formulas. Make sure you know when to use sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, make sure you can plug all this stuff in your calculator. Okay, if you do not know how to use your calculator, make sure you're asking me in the morning how to do it. Okay, good luck studying and have fun finding the area. One more day to spring break.